Okay, I've never done this before. Onyx Premium Wireless Earbuds. That's what we bought. I showed you the unboxing video. Now we're going to try to make them work. So to power on, it says here, power on, press and hold the multifunction button until the blue LED light goes on. Or to power off, you press this button again, and then the LED light flashes red. Alright, pairing. First, power on the device by pressing and holding the multifunction / power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until blue and red lights begin to blink. The unit is now automatically in pairing mode. Make sure your Bluetooth enabled mobile device is discoverable in available devices. Choose to connect with your Palm Gear earbuds by choosing pair. Alright, so that's the instructions. Here's how, let's see if I can do this though in the very first try. So here's the power button, okay? Here's where the light panel is. So hit the power button, flashing red. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? I actually heard it say your Palm something device is on, and it said your Palm device is ready to pair. Alright, if that's true, it's still flashing, so if that's true, let's hit settings on the iPhone. I'm using an iPhone. Settings, and then I'm going to hit Bluetooth, and I'm going to turn it on, and it says Palm Gear Onyx. I'm going to click on that. Little dial is spinning. Did you hear that? It said your Palm device is now pairing. How about that? I don't know if the microphone picked that up, but it says it through the earbuds, so I guess you could wear them while you're doing this. And so it says it's connected. So let's go to something like, I don't know, YouTube, let's say. And just for the heck of it, we'll go to like my channel. And we'll pick something here that's like iPhone tips. We'll turn up the volume. And I'm talking. I don't know where the microphone is on my camera. Yeah, it's going. It's talking. Let's see. Maybe if I turn up the volume, you guys can hear this. That's the right audio for the right video. So these are working. Alright, pretty cool. So that's how you pair it, and that was the very first time I did that. Pretty simple stuff. Let's hit the volume down button so that next time I play with this thing I'm not like making myself deaf. And let's hit the power off button and see if this, yep, the little red light flashes and it tells you that the device is off. So that's pretty cool. Alright, that worked out pretty well. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope that helps somebody. Give me a like, subscribe, please help me with the channel, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments. See you later. Have a great day.